Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's panel discussion on a topic that touches every student's life. Who influence us more, parents, teachers, or celebrities? We are surrounded by the people who shape our thoughts. Some nurture us, some teach us, and some inspire us from afar. So, here we have four panelists to participate in the discussion. Here is panelist 1, supporting parents' side, panelist 2, supporting teachers, panelist 3, supporting the celebrities, and panelist 4, the wise chooser, suggests someone best from all. So,
My name is Gauri Lalia from Standard 6th.
My name is Palla Amina from Standard 8th.
I am Panwala Mariam from Standard 8th.
My name is Patel Jannat from Standard 7.
My name is Surya Soya from Standard 7th.
Okay, so now I want to like to ask to the panelist 1 that why do you believe parents have the strongest influence in a child's life?
I strongly believe parents influence us the most. They are with us from the beginning. The way we talk and behave to situation is often what we learn from our parents. Their love and life lessons shape our personality long before we go to school.
Okay, thank you for your these amazing words. Now I want to like to ask panelists too. What makes teacher more influential than others in a student's life?
I think teachers play a bigger role in influencing us. They teach us how to think, how to ask a question, and how to grow. A good teacher can change the way we see the world, and once inspiring the lesson can stay with us for a life.
Okay, thank you. Now I want to like to ask panelist 3 that in what ways do celebrities influence students? Why or why not? Or especially today?
In today's digital world, I believe celebrities influence us more than anyone else. We see them everywhere on social media, TV, YouTube. What they say and do often becomes a trend that we start following without even thinking.
Thank you. That gives us something to think about. Now I want to like to ask panelist 4 that do you think all three influence us equally? Why or why not?
All three influence us in different ways. Parents shape our early behavior, teachers guide our thinking, and celebrities often become our role models. Each one has a unique impact depending on how much we allow them to influence us.
Okay, now I want to like to ask panelist 1 again that can you share a real life example that how parents shape our thinking or behavior?
Even when we grow older, we still return to our parents. Their experience, sacrifice, and stories teach us values like respect, hard work, and honesty. These are things celebrity cannot teach.
Okay, thank you for that point. Now I want to like to ask panelist 2 how can a teacher influence a student beyond classroom or textbooks?
A teacher doesn't just teach lessons, they help us face challenges and develop discipline. They prepare us for a real life. We often remember our favorite teacher long after the school ends because their words stay in our heart.
Okay, thank you. Now I would like to ask panelist 3 that can you give an example of a celebrity who inspired young people in a positive way?
Celebrities inspire us to dream big. When we see someone from a small town becoming a world star or a sport icon, it gives us hope. They influence our dreams and goals more than we realize.
Okay, now I would like to ask panelist 4. What kind of influence should we accept or reject from each group?
We often follow celebrities, but it's teachers who gives us tools to reach our goals and parents who stand by us in every step. So we must choose what to take from each. Inspiration from celebrities, direction from teachers, and strength from parents.
Okay, thank you for that point. Now I wanna like to ask panelist 1 again that what is one value you believe we learn best from our parents?
At the end of the day, we live with our parents. They are there doing our success and failure. Their influence may be quiet, but it is a deep and lifelong.
Okay, thank you so much for that point. Now I wanna like to ask panelist 2. What makes a teacher's influence last a lifetime?
In school, we spend most of our time with teachers. They shape our habit, confidence, and thinking. A society cannot grow without a great teacher.
Okay, thank you. Now I wanna like to ask panelist 3 again. How can students choose the right celebrities to follow or inspired by?
Celebrities influence what we wear, how we speak, even what we believe. They might be far away, but their reach is huge, especially among the youth.
Okay, thank you. Now I wanna like to ask panelist 4. What advice would you give to students about choosing their influence wisely?
Influence is not about who is louder, but it's about who helps us to grow. If we learn good from each, parents, teachers, and celebrities, we can build better version of ourselves.
Okay, thank you for those points. Now it is clear that every individual we trust or admire can influence us in some way. So let us be wise and choose right influence from everyone. Take discipline from teachers, love and care from parents, motivation from celebrities. From this, we can become both a good human being and a successful individual. Thank you.